We lagging, we lagging, we lagging. Shout out to the struggle streamer. You know, sometimes it's gotta do what it do. Let's see. Show the playlist. Go back to it. And boom.
Put it, Canada entrepreneurs have always operated under challenging and changing conditions. This is just one more adaptation that we'll have to make. Now, those tariffs are definitely something that we're going to keep tabs on as we move forward. But something that we're also going to keep tabs on is what's happening from state to state when it comes to the laws and also the taxes, because it seems that flour is about to get even more expensive. So check this video out because you might want to find out more, and it's coming up right now.
Yeah. So like Fox Farms though, like I noticed like, so if you're going to plant a plant in some Fox Farms ocean forest per se, you plant a plant in there and you veg it out for like 2 months and you get that plant monstrous and you're ready to flip it into flower. Now you have to add amendments to there because there's nothing left in it to...
Back up just a little bit. When you say you planted it for a couple months and it took off monstrous, do you know what's in that mix that makes that plant grow?
Synthetic salts.
It's pretty much what it is, but it's ammonium nitrate. So they spray this ammonium nitrate on sawdust, and that ammonium nitrate is like, it's like acid on a fucking slug. So think of the organic and biology that's in there. It's killing. They put that on there. You can throw a pile of that. It's called nitralized sawdust is what the industry calls it as an amendment to mix it, and that's what they buy. Roots Organic, a bunch of them do that as an amendment, and that's their nitrogen pack. And then they tell you they put a bunch of guanos and they do other stuff. And they don't put shit on it. That's what it is, and that's the reason the difference between a good quality soil and them. And you just explained it as it shot up and it grew some veg and it did really well. But the thing it's missing is that now, like if you grew in my soil or some good soil, it's not always my soil, but the difference between mine, you're asking, and Fox Farm and all the case studies, Fox Farm with ammonium nitrate in the soil, that plant will shoot up really quick. It grows quick, and it's for tomato plants. Let's just call it tomatoes. Let's do tomato, but same thing with any other cultivars. Is it shoots up really quick and it puts off a few tomatoes and the wind comes and that plant has no structure and it falls over and it's lanky, right? My soil versus the same tomato plant, you got a fucking heavy stalk, you got this plant that just fucking sits up and does its thing and it's putting up tomatoes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's the difference. And why does mine do that? Because I have a living soil concept behind it. I want you to grow with bacteria. I want you to grow with fungi. I want you to do everything that is healthy in that plant. The last thing you want to do is feed ammonium nitrates in a tomato to your kids at the dinner table. If you once you know kind of. You know? So.
March 2022, a grand party takes over the luxurious Hotel Arcs, a seaside resort in Boston. Lamborghinis decked out in company colors roar through the streets, sending a clear message. We are powerful, we are successful, and we have money. Music pumps through the air, body-painted dancers move to the rhythm, drinks flow freely, and hundreds of people are celebrating. This is the official after-party for the International Cannabis Business Conference, bringing together professionals from the cannabis industry, all backed by the night's main sponsor, Juicy Fields. At this moment, Juicy Fields is at the height of its success. In just 2 years, the company has become an international player with a pretty unique business model. Imagine being able to legally grow cannabis at home with just a few clicks. You buy the plants through an online platform, and a company grows them for you in real greenhouses. When they're harvested and sold, you share in the profits. The cannabis market is booming, and